Guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about videos regarding how to make money online. And today I'm going to talk about the 3 affiliate websites which you should join right now. The affiliate program is nothing but where you have to promote a link for a product or a service through your website or various social media account, whatever you have, or probably through YouTube. So you have to share that link, and as soon as your customer or a visitor clicks on that link and buys something, then you will get paid a certain commission, okay, for every product you sell through your links, affiliate links. Okay, this is how the simple affiliate works, and you don't have any kind of headache of like fulfilling the orders or like giving customer service or something similar. You are just like generating a lead to the product. That's it. And all of the works are taken care of by the creators or the publishers like that. So that's the only way. That's really cool, right? So before that, before I talk about the 3 sites, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos regarding how to make money online on my channel daily. Okay, so the first thing is first, let's take a look at the screen. This is the first website I'm going to talk about. Is called the ShareASale. ShareASale is a really popular website which allows affiliate marketing, and this is mainly designed for affiliate marketers. Okay, so as you can see, merchants can join here. That means the merchants who sell products through this website joins through this link. And now, before I take a look at this, take a look at the affiliate sign up section. Okay, let it open. Okay, this is a section. The process is really easy to set up. You have to this is a 5 process of setting your account. Okay, anyone can create an account here. So what you have to do is, you have to, as soon as you sign up an affiliate account, you will be approved. As soon as you approved, you will be able to promote these products. For example, take a look at this business stuff. Okay, and I would say go for the popular merchants. Okay, because popular products sells well. If you list popular products, here, and you see that popular products are listed here, you'll have a great idea like what you should promote. Okay, and these are the merchants, and I think there is a store section here where you can do this. Tools, available features. You just have to promote a merchant from here. Like all of his products will be included. So as soon as you sign up, you just have to generate a link, and then what you do is you have to post it on your website or anywhere that you have visitors. As soon as the visitors clicks on that link and buys it, then you will get paid. As simple as that. Now the next affiliate network that I'm going to talk about, the affiliate program, is called Amazon Affiliates. It's a really popular affiliate program. So it is also available in worldwide. So it depends on which website from which country you're viewing. It will look something like this. Although I've recently heard that they have reduced the commission rate, the commission percentage for each product now. So but still, if you are interested, you will be able to make some money off it. But okay, there is a section. Okay, the fees and structure. These are the important stuff. Okay. Oh, the advertising rate is 9%. Okay, for this it's also 9%. It's 8%. It's 4%, 2.5%, 2%. 0.2%, 10%. I think it's really cool. I think in terms of Indian rupees, it's fine, and you might be able to do this. And what you have to do is the same thing. You have to generate the affiliate link and share it on your social media account or whatever. And if someone buys through that link, you'll get paid. Like this, these are the commissions. Depending on which product you sell, you'll get the commissions according to that. Now the next one of the most popular affiliate network that I'm going to talk about is called the Shopify affiliate program. maybe you have heard of Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce store where you can where many vendors sell their own products, and you can also use the affiliate program to help those who are having a hard time promoting their product. So what you do is use your voice to inspire entrepreneurship with the Shopify affiliate program. You'll earn around an average of $58 for each user who sign up for a paid plan with your unique referral link, and $2,000 for each plus referral. So you have to refer them, those who are interested to open up a new online shop. Then you just have to share the affiliate link with them, and if they sign up through that, depending upon which plan they choose, you will get paid a certain percentage of it. So you can earn up to $2,000 for each plus referral. That's not a joke, guys, and it's serious. Like you can make a serious money just by referring some customers into their service. And what their intention will be I want to build a new store, and they will just come through your link, and then if they sign up, then you will get a commission for that, and that's incredible. And at this day and age, everyone wants to have a business, right? So if they want to sell something online, sell some services or products, then if they sign, and Shopify is the most easiest way for the merchants to set up a store, and also all of the things are like all of the features. It has full features available, which they can apply for. So it is an affiliate network, and the Shopify is the most easiest way to sell your product, and that's why it's so popular nowadays in the e-commerce industry. So I think if you become their affiliate, you have to apply for an affiliate program, and as soon as you apply, you have to, like for instance like this, you'll be taken to this page, and like this, email, first name, last name, and then you will be able to create an account. Then you have to proceed through some review process. As soon as it's done, if you're approved, you'll be able to share your affiliate link, and if someone comes through that system, comes through your referral link, then you will get a commission of around $58, and you can get paid up to $2,000. The more person you refer, the more money you make. It's simple as that. So that's incredible. And I think these are the 3 websites of around $58, and you can get paid up to $2,000. The more person you refer, the more money you make. It's simple as that. So that's incredible. And I think these are the 3 websites. These are the 3 websites that I mentioned right now, where you can earn commissions through your affiliate links. And these affiliate programs are really popular nowadays. So I thought that I should feature it in my channel for you guys. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily nowadays on YouTube. And as a disclaimer, this process may or may not work for you just by following this tutorial, and it really depends upon how much effort you put into it. So it takes a lot of time actually, so that's a really big problem for you. I know, and I understand, but you have to consistently do it and learn from it, and you have to put a lot of effort into it, to see some kind of result. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video with another how to make money video on YouTube.